to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have the question and answers to our homemade buttermilk biscuits, everybody. All right, what's the first question? All right, so they're asking, you realize that it was a 3 ingredient instead of a 2 ingredient. Okay, yes, I do. After the fact, okay? I know it's a 3 ingredient. I did say it's a couple ingredients, but think about it. It is a couple ingredients added to the self-rising flour. But, okay, yeah, you guys went on that. But I went on and we did a 2 ingredient biscuit that is going to be following the recipe after that. So, next question. All right, so they're asking, can you use regular whole milk instead of buttermilk? Oh, most definitely. You can use any kind of milk, the moisture, to your biscuit to make it be a biscuit, everybody. You can use vitamin D milk. You can use a low-fat milk, 2% milk, whatever your heart desires. Non-fat milk, whatever. If you want to use vegan milk, you can use vegan milk as well. So it doesn't even matter as long as some moisture is up in this biscuit with the 3 ingredients. Next question. All right, they're asking, can you use margarine instead of butter? Now, you can use margarine, yes, but we prefer butter. Butter just tastes so much better. It just goes a long way compared to margarine. I actually feel that margarine has a little bit more oil to the butter texture of the margarine. So I think it's more oily. It's more oily. If you set out a stick of margarine and a stick of butter, let it melt, on its own, and then you'll see like a whole bunch of oil is coming from the margarine. The margarine actually melts faster than the butter. Can you believe that? It's kind of weird. But next question. All right. First of all, you guys got to excuse us. We're up here eating biscuits while we're talking. Yes, that's right. The 2 ingredient biscuits. But we'll go over that after that. Okay, the next one. Okay, so they're also asking, is your grandmother single? Are you serious? Yes, they asked that. As a matter of fact, I am. No. I have a little sweet nothings right now. He's just really sweetheart. We are in a relationship. Not a committed relationship, but we're in a relationship. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we ain't dead yet. Okay, next question. Well, actually, that is all the questions that we have. Love everybody that's looking at our videos. Oh, most definitely. Keep on looking at our videos and follow us on YouTube. Oh, definitely do that. These biscuits are just scrumptious. Those biscuits were gone, so these are not the biscuits we ate. They didn't last long. They definitely didn't. I mean, because when you make those homemade biscuits, everybody wants them. Oh, yeah, but try these 2 ingredient biscuits that's coming up soon. Make sure you guys follow us on our YouTube for a lot more. And like, share, subscribe. Also, we have our Mama Soul Kitchen cookbook that's available on Amazon.com under MOMMA that shares the real buttermilk biscuits made by scratch by Granny's way. Doesn't have no self-rising flour, but the regular old-fashioned way. And we also have our Just Desserts Child available for the sweet tooth only. Go and check it out.